So, what is human mind? Mind is something abstract. You cannot see, cannot hear, cannot taste, cannot smell. It is an idea, but we feel the existence of the mind. It is something subtler than the physical existence. Nevertheless, it is something real. We can subdivide the mind into the two portions, subjective portion and objective portion. Subjective portion is the one who is seeing. I see the hand. So I is the subject and hand is the object. I see something. So that something is the object. The first subjectivity is I, the feeling of I, the feeling of existence. And second subjectivity is feeling of doership. I am seeing, I am tasting, I am touching, I am smelling, I am thinking, I am memorizing, I am remembering, I am combining so many actions of the mind. And those are done by the second subjectivity called ego portion of the mind, or aham tattva. The first portion of the mind is called mahat tattva, or the feeling of existence. Second is aham tattva, the doership feeling. And then the third portion of the mind is already from here we go into the objective mind, is called chitta. Chitta is like a platform. Subjective portion of the mind interacts with the objective portion of the mind. And then we have a complete something. We have complete experience. For example, I see the hand. Where do I see the hand? Where is the existence of this hand? It exists within my mind. But you can say, no, this hand is, you also see. How you can see in the video my hand if it is in my mind? No, these are two different hands. I see one hand and you see another hand. What do I see? I see that the particles of light, called photons, are being reflected from my hand and they touch my retina, they vibrate the nerve fibers and they create the image in the mind. They vibrate the brain, they create image in the mind. Even if I close the eyes, the hand will be still there. And I have control over that hand. I can make it bigger, I can make it smaller, I can make it blue, I can make it pink. Can I do it? Of course I can do. I can close the eyes and in my imagination I can do whatever I want. So everything that we see is actually, we are perceiving it within our mind. Whatever I touch, whatever I smell, whatever I taste, it is a metamorphosed form of our mind. The image has to come first within the mind and then you can experience that image. So the platform where all those images, all the sounds, all those thoughts and ideas and concepts are existing, it is called chitta, the objective portion of the mind.